Hey guys, Matt Olson here from MIP. As you can see here in front of you, we have the all-new Axial lineup of products for your center drivetrain systems for your rigs. Now, a lot of these part numbers have just been updated from the previous part numbers that we have. An easy way to distinguish that is to go to our conversion chart that's on MIPonline.com and look this guy up. And for instance, 18120 is one of our new part numbers, and it has replaced the 8101 and the 10145. Now that has gone for a couple of these kits. That's 18120, 18160, 18170, and 18190. Now, these kits also feature a size length on here, so like 120 millimeters to 145 millimeters, to show you guys the abilities that it has in its current configuration. So it's a super nice feature for those guys out there that are looking to adjust their current wheelbases and what they need for those custom builds. So now that we've talked about those four kits here, other than basically the part number change, it does have updated hubs in here where we took off the back end here, and now you have a spacer that fits in there so that it will go for more guys that have custom builds, but everything is still the same quality that you're used to with MIP products. So our newest kit here, which is really cool, and what guys have been asking for, is for the SCX-10-2 kit version. So this is with that newer transmission that that they have. The only thing you got to do with this is make sure you have to clearance a little part on the transmission itself when inserting the rear drive in there, and that's basically it, guys. So super nice drivetrain for your all new SCX-10-2 kit version. Anyways, visit MIPonline.com, check out all these new kits that we have here, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.